Hey, last time we followed 120 billion into AI infrastructure. We traced where it goes, what it buys, why the invisible layer matters. But we didn't answer the most important question. Who actually captures that money? Not who spends it, not who announces it, who keeps it? Because the answer is probably not who you think. So today, let's find out together. Every major capital event in history has the same structure. There's the headline winner, the company everyone talks about. There's the infrastructure winner, the company nobody talks about. And there's the participant, the person who figured out early which layer to own. 120 billion flowing into AI is no different. Three categories, three very different outcomes. Let's go through each one. Let's start with the obvious. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta. These are the companies whose names appear in every AI spending headline. And yes, they're winning. By the time they're in the headline, the early alpha is gone. When you buy those stocks today, you're not betting on AI. You're paying for AI that's already happened. The real story starts one layer down. Below the headline layer, there's the infrastructure companies. NVIDIA, TSMC, power and cooling companies. They get paid regardless of which AI model wins. But even this layer has a problem. It's no longer early. The picks and shovels play is now a crowded trade. So where does that leave the investor? There's a third category, and almost nobody is talking about it. Mainstream AI investment misses a structural gap. Centralized infrastructure has a ceiling. AI inference needs to happen close to the user, low latency, local compute. You cannot run that from one data center in Virginia. This physical constraint creates a permanent opportunity. And here's who's filling it. Decentralized physical infrastructure networks, or DePIN. It creates a category of beneficiary that has never existed before. Historically, you needed millions to profit from infrastructure. DePIN changes that. Hardware operators contributing GPU compute or bandwidth earn rewards directly. It's a fundamentally different relationship between infrastructure and investor. Who really benefits when AI spends $120 billion? Short-term, headline winners. Medium-term, infrastructure giants. Long-term, the decentralized participant layer. These node runners building what centralized players cannot build fast enough. That layer is still early and largely invisible. The full version of this story is at wendyliang.substack.com. The finance story isn't over. It's just moving to a layer most people haven't found yet. We'll see you there.